You guys need to really take this in. What is good? What is good? What's poppin'? It's your girl, Kick-Ass Nova, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Now, this video is going to be a Halloween-inspired makeup look. So, in this video, I did want to show you guys me straightening this hair bone straight because it is a body wave wig. What happened was, my dumbass was doing my hair and everything, and I realized that I never clicked start in the video. So, it's cut up, but you do see me straightening my hair a little bit. Like, you feel me? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But if you guys, it's a literally Brazilian body wave hair. The link and everything is in the description box down below. All of that. But it straightened to be bone straight. Honestly, I decided to do it bone straight because I am a skeleton. And this is who I am. Bitch. But I decided to do it bone straight because I'm a skeleton, and what are skeleton? Bones, my nigga. So this is what I did. I'm feeling myself a little too much. This hair is honestly bomb as fuck, y'all. Nadula, y'all already know Nadula is one of my favorite hair companies to order from. Their hair, look at this bitch. Like, this is fire as fuck, ho. This is fire as fuck. But again, shout out to them for sponsoring this video. And if you guys do want to see how I got this look, just keep watching.
I'ma teach you bitches a lesson to learn today. Y'all can talk your shit, just make sure that it's face to face. It's hilarious to me how much you bitches say. Y'all don't even know nothing about me but my ad name. All you hating ass bitches, just my fan base. Stay on my dick, stay on my page like you wanna taste. Y'all need to slow down, y'all are just some yo clowns. Never bow down to your level, bitch, I'll keep my crown. Don't you forget I'm the queen and you're the peasant, bitch. You don't come close to this, so even compare to this. I told you, ho, settle down, but all you bitches look up to me. Man, y'all could keep each other company. Y'all can be best friends talking about me. Topic of your GM's keys, who you envy. The name's Nova, bitch, that's how you address me. Make sure you bow down when you see me. All hail Queen Key, that's how you know me. I'll take your nigga quick and fuck him slowly. Pussy put him to sleep like a bedtime story. All you bitches just hate on me cause I'm a trophy. Like, bitch, you tryna be like me. What? You tryna be like me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. Yeah. You tryna be like me. These niggas cannot handle me. And you wanna envy me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. You tryna be like me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. What? Be like me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. Huh? Be like me. These niggas cannot handle me. And you wanna envy me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. You tryna be like me. I'm bad and I'm bougie. No nigga tryna do me. He be really funny, looking just like Bugs Bunny. No carrots in his mouth. 24, take a different route. Triple K, white man, paper route. Niggas try to ride on my wave, so I took them out. Same Air Force Ones, got she Fazo left them out. I got these niggas in check and I don't even text him back. He ate it like his last meal, ain't got no time for a snack. And he's still calling back. If you got the pussy, it's a rap. Wait, you sure you want your nigga back? You bitches all goofies, Mickey Mouse, Looney Toonies. You hating me, you watching me on TV screens. Bitch, you tryna be like me. What? You tryna be like me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. Yeah. You tryna be like me. These niggas cannot handle me. And you wanna envy me. Bitch, you tryna be like me. You tryna be like me.
So I'm gonna use my P. Louise palette, and I'm gonna use the colors Sun-Kissed and Burned. These two. I'm going to use those two, and I'm going to use those two as my transition shades. Guys, I fucked this face up. Don't look at this side. We're gonna do this side first. Here's my finished look, guys. Oh my god, I did my first freaking Halloween look. No, if you're not proud of me, I don't know who would be. I mean, I'm proud of myself. But I did my first Halloween look, guys. If you guys do want to see another Halloween look done by me, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget that if you guys do want this wig, this is 24 inches of body wave hair from Nadula. Shout out to them again for sponsoring this YouTube video. And yeah, I decided to straighten it because I wanted it to be bone straight because I'm a skeleton. So I wanted it to be bone straight. I'm sorry that the video cut off. I literally, when I washed my hair and everything, I thought that it was recording, but it wasn't. Sorry for that again. But if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't, then oh well. I'm really in the spirit right now, like really in the spirit. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.